Article for you.
That's all I'm down there.
Hard on 594, hit to you. Make 2 more right 360s and I'll get you behind the caravan.
2 more right 360, Hotel 594.
Talk off 412, say again your direction of departure.
Traffic pattern to Hawk Out 412.
Roger. And King is your Tango Alpha, I'm guessing you're ready?
Ready,
Perfect. Station 7 Charlie Bravo, 110, line up wait here, man, turn at 5 mile final.
Line up and wait, what's 0, 7 Charlie Bravo.
Call me sign.
Trying to read through there, you can turn inbound now. Thank you so much for that.
Reaches 2597 on the ground.
Please turn 597 right at the end, ground 18.
Right at the end, ground 18.
Talk out 600, you're going westbound now, correct?
Affirmative, Hawk Out 600.
Talk out 600 right into the caravan, 6 west of the field, turning inbound straight into 10 at 2,800 descending.